Hello, in this video we're going to be taking a look at OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage solution that is included with Office 365. You can access it from the web or through the Windows application. If you don't have the Windows application, we can install this for you if you log a ticket with Help Desk. Firstly, I'll show you the website where you can access OneDrive. If you open a web browser and then head to portal.office.com, you can log in with your Office 365 account. It will ask you for your email and your password. It's not asking me because my Office 365 account is connected to Windows. So if I click on that, it will load up the Office 365 portal. From here, I can click on OneDrive under the Apps section. This will open a new tab where I can see all of my files and folders that are in OneDrive. From here, I can also look at recent files, shared files, and my recycle bin within OneDrive. You can also create Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote and so on documents, as well as folders, upload files from your machine, and sync files with your machine. You can also share files from here, however I'll show you this in a bit, once we've looked at the application on the PC. OneDrive should be installed on your PC, however if it isn't, just log a ticket with us and we'll be able to install it for you. The OneDrive icon will appear in the bottom right hand corner in the system tray. If it doesn't, you may need to click on the small arrow and click on this and you should see it here. Mine isn't within the hidden icons, so I can see the default cloud down here, which is the OneDrive icon. If I click on that, I can see some various files that have been synced and updates from within OneDrive. I can also open the OneDrive folder on my machine, where I can see files and folders that have been synced with OneDrive. If there's a green tick, that means that it's actually saved on the machine as well as in the cloud. If you just see a cloud, such as this folder here, that means that it's not actually saved on my machine. I can see it from my machine, however, if I try and open a file from there, it will have to download it first. From within OneDrive, you can also back up your documents, pictures and desktop. To do this, if you click on the OneDrive icon in the system tray, then click on More, then click on Settings, then click on the Backup tab, and then click on Manage Backup, I can check the desktop pictures and documents folders on my PC and then click Start Protection. These folders will then be synced with OneDrive, meaning that if I ever lose my computer or my hard drive fails, I can still access the files that are on my machine. From within the OneDrive application, I can also share files. To do this, I just right click on a file, click on Share, and then a window appears. I can send this as a link. This is done through email, or I can copy a link. So the first thing you'll want to do is click on anyone with this link can edit. This allows you to change permissions, so whether the person that you're sending the link to can edit the file or not. If you have allow editing checked, they can edit it. If it's unchecked, they can only view it. The top option allows anyone who has the link to be able to actually view the file. If you choose people within, for example, my organisation, only people within my organisation can view the file. People with existing access allows people who have access already to view the file, and you can also allow specific people to view the file. You can also set an expiry date for the link. If I click on Apply, that will save that, and in this box down here I can enter an email address, so I may want to share it with this user. Select them and I can put a message. I can then copy the link and send it to them over instant message, such as Skype for Business, or I can click on Send, and that will send an email to that user. I can also share files from the website. You can do this in two ways. If you click on a file, you'll see Share appear at the top, or you can right click on the file and then click on Share from here. From within here, you get a very similar window come up to the window that you see on the PC. However, there's an additional option from within the permissions window. If I click on anyone with the link can edit, you can see that there's a block download option here. If I uncheck allow editing, I can block the download, so users won't actually be able to download the file themselves onto their own machine. The options here, other than that, are exactly the same as on the actual application on the PC. And obviously if I click apply, it will do that. I can put the email address in here, I can put a message in here, and I can copy the link, or I can send it via Outlook, or I can send an email directly here. Anyway, that's a basic overview of OneDrive. Thank you for watching.